tip of Rotterdam's Maasvlakte, in the mouth of the River Maas, 3 immense tanks are under construction. To meet the growing demand for natural gas, GasUnie and Vopak decided to develop the first Dutch import terminal for liquefied natural gas, the Gas Access to Europe, or GATE terminal. In mid-2008, construction of the tanks began in earnest. When finished, the throughput capacity will be enough to provide natural gas for all the 7 million households in the Netherlands. To support the whole construction, a concrete foundation plate containing an electric heating system was laid. This ensures that the liquefied natural gas, which has a temperature of minus 160 degrees Celsius, cannot freeze the base. The roof consists of a steel skeleton to which steel plates are attached and then joined together by kilometers of welding, creating an impermeable construction. Every day, convoys of concrete mixer trucks ride back and forth to build a 40-meter high reinforced concrete wall with a diameter of 90 meters, which makes it almost as big as a football field. When the concrete wall has reached the required height, the tank will be hermetically sealed. 7 powerful booster fans create an overpressure of just 13 millibars, which blows the whole 670-ton roof upwards. This whole process takes between 3 to 4 hours. Now, the solid outer shell of the tank is complete, and we're ready for the next challenge in the construction process.